Hello and welcome to our channel Immunological Coefficiency. In today's video, we're going to explore the law of attraction and how you can use it to transform your life and manifest your dreams. If you're ready to unlock your full potential, you're in the right place. If you enjoy content that empowers you to take control of your life, make sure to subscribe to our channel. It's free, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Before we dive in, I want to share an exciting opportunity with you. We offer a free version of our Immunological Coefficiency Diploma, a self-healing course based on the teachings of Bruce Lipton, Joe Dispenza, and Deepak Chopra. The link to this transformative course is in the video description below, so be sure to check it out. The first step in harnessing the law of attraction is to become crystal clear about what you desire. This is about moving beyond fleeting wishes and vague desires. We're talking about identifying your deepest desires, the aspirations that truly set your soul on fire. Think of it like planting a seed. You wouldn't just scatter seeds randomly, hoping something grows. You choose the right seed for the plant you want, you prepare the soil, and you plant it with intention. Setting clear intention inking intentions is like that. It's about consciously choosing the seeds of your desires and planting them in the fertile ground of your subconscious mind. Be specific about what you want to achieve. Write down your goals in a journal. Don't hold back. Describe them in vivid detail. As you write, engage all your senses. What does it feel like to have already achieved this goal? What do you see, hear, smell, taste? Make it real in your mind. And here's a powerful technique: visualization. Close your eyes and imagine your desired reality as if it's happening right now. Feel the emotions, the joy, the gratitude, as if you're already living it. This is not mere wishful thinking. It's about aligning your energy with your desires, sending a powerful signal to the universe. Now that you've planted the seeds of intention, it's time to nurture them with positive affirmations. Your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful and receptive. Negative thoughts program it to create more of those experiences. Affirmations help reprogram your subconscious mind. They are declarations of truth, even if not yet manifested. Repeat affirmations to shift your internal dialogue. Choose affirmations that resonate with your goals. For financial abundance, affirm, "I am a magnet for wealth." Repeat with conviction and feeling. Feel the emotions as if it's already real. Make affirmations a daily routine. Write them down, say them out loud, or listen to them. Immerse yourself in these positive declarations. Step 3. Cultivating gratitude. Shifting your frequency. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrations you can emit, and it acts as a powerful magnet for attracting more things to be grateful for. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your energy from a state of lack to a state of abundance. Think about it. When you're feeling grateful, you're not dwelling on what you don't have. You're appreciating the good that's already present in your life. This positive focus creates a ripple effect, attracting even more positive experiences and opportunities. Make it a habit to acknowledge and appreciate the good in your life. Start a gratitude journal and write down at least 3 things you're grateful for every day. These could be simple things like a beautiful sunrise, a delicious meal, a kind gesture from a stranger, or the love of family and friends. As you cultivate gratitude, notice how your perspective shifts. You'll find yourself feeling happier, more content, and more aligned with the flow of abundance. And as you raise your vibration, you'll naturally attract more things to be grateful for. Step 4. Visualization, creating your reality in the quantum field. We've talked about the power of visualization, but let's dive deeper into this transformative practice. Visualization is not simply daydreaming. It's a powerful technique for creating your reality in the quantum field. Quantum physics teaches us that everything in the universe is made up of energy vibrating at different frequencies. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs all emit energetic vibrations. And these vibrations interact with the quantum field, influencing the reality you experience. When you visualize your desired outcome, you're essentially creating a template in the quantum field. You're aligning your energy with the frequency of your desires, making it more likely for those desires to manifest in your physical reality. Set aside dedicated time each day for visualization. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, relax your body, and bring your desired outcome to mind. See it, feel it, experience it as if it's happening right now. The key is to make your visualizations as vivid and detailed as possible. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel? The more real you can make it in your mind, the stronger the attraction will be. Step 5. Inspired action, aligning with the universe. Now, here's an important point. The law of attraction is not about sitting back and waiting for your dreams to fall into your lap. It's about aligning yourself with the frequency of your desires and then taking inspired action toward your goals. Think of it this way. The universe is constantly conspiring to help you manifest your dreams, but it needs your cooperation. It's like the universe is sending you a GPS signal, guiding you toward your destination. But you still need to get in the car and start driving. Inspired action is about paying attention to the synchronicities and opportunities that present themselves as you align with your desires. It's about following your intuition, that inner guidance system that's always leading you toward your highest good. As you cultivate a deep connection with your intuition, you'll find that the right actions will feel effortless and aligned. You'll be guided to take the necessary steps, even if they seem small or insignificant at the time. By following these steps, you can harness the power of the law of attraction to transform your life and manifest your dreams. Remember, your thoughts are powerful. Choose them wisely and watch as the universe responds to your intentions. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with the law of attraction. Share this video with anyone who could benefit from learning how to manifest their dreams. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more revealing content on comprehensive well-being and personal growth. Remember, our free Immunological Coefficiency Diploma is available through the link in the description. Start your journey toward mind-body healing and personal transformation today.